वेलकम टू लवली स्पीक्स चैनल। पिछली क्लास में हम लोग ने देखा था कैसे सर्कल फ्रेम के अंदर एक स्टिकर बनाना है। उसके लिए हमने क्या किया था, सेट कलर। ओके, सेट कलर रेड, तो ये रेड कलर में आएगा। उसके बाद हमने क्या सेट किया था, repeat 90 times. So do move forward, it will move forward 6 pixel में. Turn right, I am doing it here 5 pixel. So 5 pixel का turn right by 4 degree. 4 degree में move करके ये देखिए कैसे सर्कल ड्रॉ करेगा। पहले move forward हो रहा है 5 pixel और फिर वो right turn होके 4 degree में सर्कल बना रहा है। उसके बाद हमने ये स्टिकर बनाने के लिए किया था। चलिए मैं इसको अभी डिलीट कर देती हूँ और फिर से ये रिपीट 90 एक और सर्कल, यहाँ 4 सर्कल ओलंपिक बनाने के लिए कंटिन्यूएशन पार्ट है ये उस वीडियो का। 4 सर्कल बनाती हूँ। तो उसके लिए क्या करना है हमें, यहाँ देखिए हमने अभी इसको टर्न राइट करके 4 डिग्री में एक सर्कल बनाया है। अभी हम इसी कोड को रिपीट करके टर्न लेफ्ट कर देंगे। सो देखिए यहाँ सेट कलर रेड है, कोई और कलर पहले मैं सेलेक्ट कर लेती हूँ सो डैट उस कलर से वो सर्कल बने। सो मैं यहाँ सेट कलर पिंक के जगह पर ग्रीन ले लेती हूँ। ओके, और ये कोड को ही रिपीट लूप, कहाँ लूप में रिपीट यूज करूंगी। और अभी अगर मैं इसको 90 कर देती हूँ, अगर 45 करके पहले दिखाती हूँ क्या होगा, डू मूव फॉरवर्ड। ओके, सो मूव फॉरवर्ड के जगह पर फॉरवर्ड ही रहेगा और यहाँ पिक्सल कितना ले लेती हूँ, 5 पिक्सल। और यहाँ टर्न राइट के जगह पर टर्न लेफ्ट कर दूंगी इस बार। तो सर्कल हमारा किस साइड बनेगा, इस साइड जाकर। और इसको कितना सेट करती हूँ, 4 डिग्री। सो देखिए 90 अभी 45 इंटू 4 है, तो ये क्या होगा, हाफ सर्कल बनेगा। सो इसको मैं यहाँ 5 पिक्सल कर दी। सो देखिए ये क्या हुआ, लेफ्ट साइड में गया और हाफ सर्कल ही मेड किया। 45 इंटू 4, ओके, नॉट इट इज 360। अगर 360 करना है तो क्या करेंगे, इसको 90 कर देते हैं। सो 90 इंटू 4 360, तो ये होल सर्कल एक क्रिएट कर देगा। देखिए फर्स्ट ये सर्कल ड्रॉ होगा और उसके बाद फिर एक यहाँ ड्रॉ हो जाएगा। तो अभी देखिए इस वाले को दिख रहा है आपको कैसे ये मूव हो रहा है, ये आपको दिखा रहा है मूव फॉरवर्ड बाय 5 पिक्सल। अब क्या होगा, सेकेंड ग्रीन कलर में एक सर्कल ड्रॉ होगा, मूव फॉरवर्ड बाय 5 पिक्सल, टर्न लेफ्ट बाय 4 डिग्री। ओके, तो ये 4 डिग्री, तो 90 इंटू 4 इज 360 और यहाँ क्या है 5 पिक्सल। अगर 6 पिक्सल करेंगे तो ये दोनों सर्कल सेम नहीं बनेगा, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ 5 दी हूँ, सो यहाँ भी 5 पिक्सल का ही बना दी हूँ। सो अब देखते हैं एक सेम सेट कलर मैं करूंगी, ब्रशेस में सेट कलर, और यहाँ रेड और ग्रीन छोड़ के कोई दूसरा कलर लेती हूँ। चलिए येलो ले ली, ऑरेंज, और इसके बाद फिर से रिपीट लूप ही यूज करूंगी। सो लूप इज हेयर, रिपीट लूप, और कितने टाइम्स, 90 टाइम्स। So I am making it 90 and from actions I am selecting move forward by how many pixels, I am setting it here 5 pixel. And after that, see it, now it's showing a straight line, but what I want it in circle I want. So I put it turn and doing it 4 degree. So see, again it is drawing up here only one circle. Means before it was drawing here red color, now it is drawing yellow color circle there only. But what I want to draw it in this position. So what I will do it first, repeat loop and do it 22.5 times. Okay, so it will draw here. So see what I will do. So I will move this code from here and use one again loop. So repeat what I will do it 22.5 times. 22.5 times. And what I will set inside it? See, from action I will do it move forward by 5 pixel only, and then I will do it turn left by 4 degree. Okay, so I will drop here. It will show 4 degree. So see now what it happens. It came here and now draw one circle. See, if I will set up here, what it will do, it will draw one circle like this. Okay, after this it will draw one circle, but what I want to draw it here. So first I will remove this and set actions turn right by 90 degree. Okay, so I will put it here 90 degree. Then see what it move here and now it will draw one circle here. So I will set this code and see. Now it will draw one circle before this, not here. Okay, because I am making one Olympic here. So I put it here and again I want one circle here also. So what I will do? Now I want it to turn left. So I will do it turn left by 90 degree. Okay, so I will write it here 90 degree. So see now it moved to turn right, and now again I will use loop here. So repeat how many times I want it. So I will write it 22.5, and again I will set move backward. So from here I will put it move for, instead of forward I will do backward. And how many pixels? 5 pixels. So here I will write 5 pixel and see it came here. So see as I do it move backward, so it draw one line here. But I don't want it to draw one line and then move. I just want to jump here without drawing any line. So I will not use this. I will delete this. And from action I will use move forward. Okay, and instead of forward I will do it backward. Okay, and how many pixels? 5 pixels. So see now without drawing it came here, and now I will say turn left. So turn left how many degrees? 4 degree. So I will write 4 degree. So now it came here. But I want it to come here. So I will do it not left, I will do it right. So see now it came here. Now I want one circle here. So what I will do? So set from here turn right by 90 degree. So here I will set 90. So turn right means now it will move to right direction and then draw one circle. And again I will use loop. First before using loop I will set one color so that it will show another color circle. So here I will select black. Okay, so repeat you loop and do forward. Okay, and what I will set it 5 pixel. and again I will do it turn right. So here it is action, turn right. How many degree I will set it? 4 degree. So see, now it will draw one triangle, sorry, circle. So I will do it 90 times. And now as I will do it 90 times, it will draw one more circle in black color. Now what I want it, one sticker come in between. So first I will show it how it will work. I am resetting it and see how it will work. When I will run it, first set color red color, repeat 90 times, it will create move forward by 5 pixel. It is moving forward by 5 pixel and in same loop it is turning right in 4 degrees. Okay, so see, it will draw one circle in red color. Now in green color it is showing move forward by 5 pixel, turn left by 4 degrees. So in 4 degrees, 90 into 4 it is 360. So it is drawing one circle. Again it repeat 22.5 times. It for coming here it came repeat and then draw one circle in yellow color. Move forward by 5 pixels. Turn right by 4 degrees. Okay. Now it will come here. Again it have to repeat up to here and then draw one circle, move forward by 5 pixels, turn right by 4 degrees. Okay, when it will draw one full circle, I want one sticker here. So for sticker, first I will move it up to here and then one draw. If I will do here only one sticker, see what it will happen. Brushes I will select draw a sticker and then see what happened. It is showing ulta, opposite sticker, but I don't want ulta sticker, opposite sticker. I want it in this direction and here I don't want, I want in between one sticker. So I will change this. How? First I will move here and then repeat 22.5 degree loop and then draw one sticker. So from loop I will select repeat and what I will do it 22.5 times again. So 22.5 times and what I will select jump forward. I don't want to draw anything, so I will use jump forward. How many pixel? 5 pixel. Okay. Again turn right by 4 degrees. So I will set 4. So what it came here, but I want to commit here. So what I will do now? I will set turn right by 90 degrees. So now it came here. See 90 degrees. And again I will set one more time turn right by 90 degree. And then I want to jump backward. So jump forward I will drop and instead of forward I will do it jump backward. So jump backward by how many degree I want it? Let's do it 30 degree. So it is showing here. Let's do it 35 degree. See now it is showing here sticker, but what I want in between. So here you can see if I will put it turn right by 90 degree and jump backward by 35 degree, it will see. If I will do if I want it in left direction, so what I will do? Left. So now it will drop one sticker in this direction. So you can change this sticker wherever you want, in left, right, down, up, in between. In if I want it here, then what I will set? See, from here, actions, jump to the top left position. So when I will set it here, it will draw top left position. Instead of top left, you can set middle center. Okay, middle center, middle right, it is going outside canvas. Okay, so you can set it bottom left here. Okay, whatever you want to change its position, you can set. I am deleting here because I don't want in top left or top right, I want in between. So when I will set it jump backward by 35 pixel, it is showing here. As I will change here degrees, see, 90 degree, here I will set 100, 120, 120. See how it is moving instead of 150. So it is moving. Okay, instead of 170. Okay, 130. So you can set anywhere in this frame wherever you want. Okay, so here in between, if you want, you have to set repeat 22.5 degree. Okay, and turn right by 90 degree, turn right by 90 degree, jump backward. Okay, instead of backward, if I will use forward, what will happen? Draw it here. Okay, jump forward by 360. Why I use? For that artist I want not showing. See, here it is, artist it is showing. If I will use this jump forward by 360, so see here I am using jump forward, and here I am using 300. So this artist will not shown then. So see how it came. 4 circle will be drawn, and after that. So thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment below. I will definitely give your answer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. और देखिए वाइट हेड जूनियर में जब भी आप डेमो दें, फुल कॉन्फिडेंस से आप वहाँ बात करें, जो भी बोल रहे हैं उसमें फुल प्रैक्टिस करके जाए, और टाइम मैनेजमेंट उसके अंदर आप अपना जो भी कोड का है देख कर जाए पीडीएफ में, उसके बाद जो भी आपके कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई रखे, टाइम मैनेजमेंट रखे, सो डैट आप उसमें आप जो भी किए हुए हैं टीचर एक्टिविटी ये सब को देख कर जाए और कंप्लीट करें।